guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn. In case you're new, you're most definitely welcome. So today I want us to talk about skin, and this is a skin series I want to start. And this skin series will be about oily skin because my skin is oily. And what generally I'm going to be talking about, it will be a journey to a clear skin, pimples which were coming out because of imbalance of hormones. That means that is history to me. So, but still I'm on the journey. I've not gotten to where I want to be, but I know I will. So another importance of chia seeds is they help in skin radiance and they make the skin look healthier. So for the last 2 months I've been taking chia seeds and flax seeds, and today I want to talk about chia seeds. And one of the benefits to get from chia seeds, or I've gotten from chia seeds, is that they help in the balancing of hormones. And so that means, so step number 1, you want to start with removing your makeup, and I'll be using almost everything in this video is DIY. And what I use to remove my makeup is some coconut oil, and this is parachute 100% pure coconut oil. And I use a cotton and a tin. So what you do is put some coconut oil in your tin, and then you dab your cotton wool in your oil. Yes, you understand. So first thing, a little coconut oil goes a long way. And then for my cotton, you dab your cotton wool in some coconut oil, and then you so I come in with a wet wipe to remove
through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
There's some makeup residues that were left on your skin. And so the next thing that I'll be doing is cleansing with plain yogurt. Yes, I'll be using plain yogurt to cleanse my skin, and with me I have some plain yogurt, and I'll be using like just two spoonfuls. And again I come back with my cotton wool and dab some cotton wool in the yogurt, and then place some of this product on my face. And one of the reasons as to why I use coconut oil is because it's a perfect neutral facial cleanser with protein and lactic acid, and it feels so good. Like right now my skin feels so good. I don't know it because it's so soft and cold at the same time. But so what was I saying about lactic acid? Lactic acid, they work together to tighten pores and reduce appearance of fine lines, and it also helps in hydrating your skin. So you, after applying it everywhere, you want to come back in circular motions all over your face. So this feels like I'm massaging my skin, and it feels awesome. Trying to set my mirror here. So you can do this and leave it there for a few minutes. Oh, this feels awesome. And my skin feels so soft at the same time. And another thing, guys, I'll be filming another episode. Like, we will be continuing. It's like a series. So this is the first episode, and then the next episode I'll be showing you my next procedure. Yeah, and it's about home remedies and DIYs. So we can leave that for about, let's say, 5 minutes.
Paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies, only you.
So after my 5 minutes are over, I come in with the towel. It's warm. And if you look well, it's so clear that I still had some makeup on my face, and that is why I had to do that.
Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
And the first episode is over, or comes to an end. To see my next, what do I use on my face to watch my next video, and that means to subscribe and also like this video, and see you next time.